Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie Leanne, and in today's video I'm going to go through some really quick and easy bun hairstyles that you can try out at home on your natural hair, and these will be perfect for work, for college, university, or even for special occasions as well. So if you're interested, then make sure you keep on watching. So for all of my subscribers, in the community tab recently I asked you what videos you'd like to see next, and the majority of you wanted to see a hairstyling video. So that's why I'm making this video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you'll be notified of whenever I post new videos. And also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get straight into the video. So what you'll need would be a gel of your choice, and today I'll be using the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker Gel. Also you'll need some kind of bristle brush. You'll also need some scrunchies or some hair ties of your choice, and also something to part your hair. You'll also need a scarf to lay your edges and some bobby pins. So style number one is a classic low bun, and this is with a middle part, but if you prefer a side part or no part at all, then go ahead and do that. So you want to use whatever tool you have to part your hair neatly, and I'm starting on an old wash and go. Then you want to grab the gel of your choice, and I'm using the Camille Rose Curl Maker Gel. Go ahead and really smooth that into your hair because this is going to give you that sleek, polished look that we're going for. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. Then you want to grab one of your satin or silk hair scrunchies, and I prefer these because they're not harsh on your hair and they're not going to rip your hair out. So if you don't have these, I would definitely recommend to purchase them. You can then use your brush to tidy things up and then put on your edge scarf or whatever scarf you have, and this really sets the gel or whatever styler you're using in place. And I left this on for 5 minutes for this video, but usually I'll leave it on for longer and look at the results even after that short period of time. I don't wanna fall in love. Now go ahead and grab another hair scrunchie, and in order to achieve that low bun that we're looking for, the first option would be to fold the hair underneath and to apply the hair scrunchie on top, and this is what it would look like. The second option would be to twist the hair on itself and then to apply the scrunchie, as you can see here. If your hair is shorter to medium length, you may need some bobby pins to just secure any flyaways. So moving on to style number two, and it's a mid bun with this really fun pompadour. So I'm just going to gently mist my hair with some water. Now you want to section the front of your hair, which is going to be the pompadour, and then gather the back of your hair into a mid bun. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. For the pompadour, go ahead and use a flexi rod. I didn't have this on deck for this video, so I just was creative and used a highlighter. Just roll that up into the pompadour, and you want to pin this in place to your liking. For the back of your hair, you just want to gently twist it around until you form a bun, and then add another scrunchie on top. To really amplify this style, you can go ahead and accessorize with some cute headbands or scarves, and this really gives it a very unique or individualistic look. And I bought these headbands a long time ago, I think from ASOS, so they may no longer be available, but I'll try to find the links or alternatives and leave them in the description box below. So moving on to style number three, and this is a mid bun with a side swoop. So the same way you formed the mid bun in the previous style, go ahead and do that with a side parting this time and leaving out a little bit more hair. You want to twist the end of that hair that you've left out and then bobby pin it to the back of the bun. So this is what it should look like when you're all done. So moving on to style number four, which is a classic side bun, and I think that this is perfect for any formal occasion. Really can't go wrong with a low bun and a side bun because they look so great with any outfit. So go ahead and just smooth your hair and gather it to the side. So you want to have a side parting for this. So just smooth it nicely and then apply your scrunchie. After this, with the hair that you've left out, you want to go ahead and twist the end and then gently tuck this in with a bobby pin, and this is going to form that really elegant side bun that we're going for. You may want to grab some more bobby pins if you haven't formed the actual shape that you want. Just play around with it and it should look something like this once you're all done. So moving on to style number 5, which is the side bun but with a twist, literally. So you want to make a side part and then leave a section of your hair out in the front. Go ahead and gather the rest of your hair into that side bun, and then with the front of the hair that you've left out, go ahead and just twist this into a 2-stranded twist. Once again, you just want to gather the hair in the back and just pin this into a bun. And then go ahead and pin the 2-stranded twist into the bun. And just play around a bit, and if you want to basically make a little S shape or some kind of style with a twist, then go ahead. You can totally freestyle things. And I was really loving this style, as you can see here. So moving on to the very last style, and this is going to be the top knot with some braids. So first you want to section your hair off in the front because we're going to form some braids with this a bit later. Then you want to gather all of your hair up into a very high bun, and we're going to be forming a top knot. I just want to have some fun, yeah. I don't want to fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. Now you want to divide that front section into a middle part and then go ahead and plait each section. After you finish, just go ahead and pin each braid or plait into the bun itself. And once you're all done, it should look something like this. So guys, that's our 6 really simple and easy bun hairstyles. Please be sure to comment below to let me know which style was your favorite, and also give this video a massive thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.